how to reset noise shots groove. Before beginning the reset steps, ensure that the charging case and the earbuds are fully charged. Take out the earbuds from the charging case. To turn off the earbuds manually, touch and hold either earbud until the LED turns red. Now turn on the earbuds. Touch and hold either earbud until the LED blinks in blue and red, indicating pairing mode. Repeat the same process with the other earbud. Now tap individual earbuds quickly 7 times. Once the earbuds are reset, the LED will blink blue 3 times. Now, place the earbuds inside the charging case and follow the pairing process.